Hey guys, this video is about how to get motivated according to science. Hey there, and welcome back to another video on the channel. If you want motivation to do anything, make sure to stay tuned for this video. The first way is to reward yourself. Rewards feel good and punishments feel bad. You don't want to be punished for skipping one day of working out, but you want to be rewarded because you did that day. In fact, research shows that rewards are responsible for 3/4 of why you do things. That's a big fraction. So make sure that you reward yourself whenever you do something on your to-do list. Yes, this is also a way that you can train your dogs. If you can't find a reward good enough to get you off your butt, then try something like this that puts something at stake. Give your friend, sibling, or family member something that you really don't want to lose. $10, $100, or something that means a lot to you. If you don't do your task, then they get to keep it. But if you finish your task, say by a certain time, then you get to keep what you put at stake. Try it out and let me know what you think. Number 2 is peer pressure. Your friend just got involved. Sorry. Instead of surrounding yourself with people that have bad habits and aren't good for you, start surrounding yourself with people that have good habits or do things that you want to be able to do. If you want to get fit, then surround yourself with fit people and you'll eventually learn from them. Want facts and evidence that this works? Well then, here you go. The Longevity Project, which researched 1,000 people from youth to death, has this say, for people who want improved health, association with other healthy people is usually the strongest and most direct path of change. Here's a word that starts with a P. Here's a word that starts with a P. P-R-O-C. Do you know what that word is? It's procrastination, something that I'm sure everyone has done at least once in their life. And when do we procrastinate the most? When we're in a bad mood. So let's stop that. Let's be positive and procrastination should be no more. Research shows that nothing is more motivating than progress. So monitor your progress and celebrate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you'll get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!